Welcome to 7th grade English class at Edgewood Middle School. By the end of today's class, you will have an understanding of our classroom procedures and where things are located. You will know what materials you will need each day and behavior expectations as well as consequences for misbehaving. Some things that you will need for English class each day include a pencil with an eraser, your language arts folder that will be provided for you, and all of your work, a flash drive, and the school agenda. At the beginning of class, be in your seat and ready to work when the bell rings. Have all materials and assignments with you, and be ready to go for another exciting class. In our classroom, you have the privilege of getting out of your seat and going to the wastebasket or the pencil sharpener, the supplies drawers, or the tissue box without asking. But be respectful of others or the privilege will be taken away. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Be respectful of yourself, others, and our school. Be responsible and be reliable. In other words, just be nice. There are consequences for misbehaving. First, your name goes up on the board. Then, a check goes by your name and you are sent out of the room. Thirdly, your name will be circled, you will be sent out of the room, and a lunch detention will be given. After 3 strikes, your home will be contacted. You will begin to get after-school detentions and office referrals. So, be good. The policy for being tardy to class is clearly outlined in your school agenda. Be sure to check it and be on time. If you need to leave the room to go to the restroom or your locker, take care of yourself. Do not raise your hand and ask for permission. Just put your ticket to freedom on the desk peg on the teacher desk. Any unused tickets will be used toward prizes at the end of each quarter, but no lost tickets will be replaced. So put your name on each ticket with ink and hold on to them. The school policy is that you have the same number of days as you are absent to make up work. Students are responsible for obtaining papers and assignments and for turning in missed work. Simply put the work on the file tray in the front of the room. Remember, you're in 7th grade. You should be able to take care of yourself. Sometimes students will hand in work not because they are absent, but just because it's late. This type of work will be accepted up to 3 days after the due date, but there is a penalty. The penalty is the assignment will drop in point value. After 3 days, an assignment is not accepted. The penalty for that is that the assignment becomes a 0. You will be assessed in this class on ODE standards. There are 5 categories of assessment: vocabulary, reading, writing, research, as well as oral and visual communications. At the end of each class, you are expected to clean up your area. Stay by your assigned seat and get clarification of any assignments that you need. You also need to write in your agenda homework and assignments and take a few minutes to organize. Remember, follow the rules, stay on task, work hard, and try your very best. And be nice to everyone and try to have some fun learning. If you do that, you will have a great time in language arts class.